Artificial intelligence and machine learning are reshaping every industry, and in this video, I am giving you a complete roadmap to go from zero to job ready in AI and ML. Let's get started on your journey to becoming an AI and machine learning expert. Step 1 is the math and programming foundation. You need basic linear algebra, probability, statistics, and strong Python skills before anything else. This is the base layer every AI concept is built on top of, so do not skip it. Step 2 is data handling. Learn NumPy for fast numerical operations and Pandas for loading, cleaning, and analyzing data. Almost every machine learning project starts with messy data, and these two libraries are how you turn that mess into something usable. Step 3 is classic machine learning. Learn Scikit Learn. It covers regression, classification, clustering, and model evaluation with simple, clean syntax. This is where you learn how machine learning actually works before jumping into deep learning. Step 4 is deep learning. Pick either TensorFlow or PyTorch and go deep. PyTorch is the current favorite among researchers and most new AI projects because of its flexibility, while TensorFlow remains strong in production environments. Learn how neural networks, layers, activation functions, and backpropagation actually work, not just how to call a function. Step 5 is computer vision. Learn how convolutional neural networks process images. Explore OpenCV for image processing tasks and pre-trained models like ResNet and YOLO for image classification and object detection. This field powers everything from self-driving cars to medical imaging. Step 6 is natural language processing. Learn how text gets converted into tokens and embeddings. Study the transformer architecture since it is the foundation of every modern language model. Then explore the Hugging Face Transformers library to use and fine-tune pre-trained models like BERT and GPT-style architectures. Step 7 is large language models and generative AI. Understand how models like GPT are trained, what prompt engineering actually means, and how retrieval augmented generation works to give models access to external knowledge. This is the fastest growing area in AI right now and where most new jobs are appearing. Step 8 is MLOps and deployment. Learn how to take a trained model and actually ship it. This includes using Docker to containerize your model, FastAPI to serve it as an API, and basic cloud deployment so your model can be used in a real application instead of sitting in a notebook. Step 9 is staying current with research. AI moves fast, so get comfortable reading papers from sources like Archive. Following key labs and understanding new architectures as they release. You do not need to read everything, but you need to know how to evaluate what matters. Step 10 is building real projects. Pick a focused project like an image classifier, a chatbot using retrieval augmented generation, or a recommendation system and build it end to end. Theory alone will not get you hired, a portfolio of real projects will. That is the complete AI and ML roadmap from foundations to deployment. Follow these steps in order, build projects at every stage, and you will be ahead of most people still stuck watching tutorials without ever building anything. If this roadmap helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to CodeDev for more content like this.